सदां हे दोंगर कोसळटालो, बिल्डिंग हांगा आयला, कशें सांबाळटलो तेकाय आमी स्टेप्स घेवन येता. तुमी पळयलां तें कितें जाल्लें आसा तें, कशें नेटींग घालून. आनी म्हाका दिसता देव हिंगा सांबाळटा. पयलीं म्हणल्यार हिंगा ल्हान दिवड आयलें आनी ताका लागून देवच हांगा हें सांबाळटा. तें सगळें करतना तरी आसतना लोक हांगा इतले स्पिडीन येता. हो शॉर्टकट जावन आसा. एअरपोर्ट एवरीबडी प्रिफर्स टू गो दिस सायड, शॉर्टकट आसा म्हूण. चड करून आमचे टॅक्सी भाव एक सेफ्टी मेजर म्हूण पयलीं एक टायमा आमी टॅक्सी हे सायडी वचपाक बंद केल्ले. एक आमी मागीर रोड मातशें रुंदीकरण खंय जाता थिंगा केलें, हॉट मिक्सिंग केलें आनी कॅमेराय आमी लायले गार्बेज हाडून उडयता म्हूण. आनी मागीर आतां बॅरिकेड जे आमकां जाय आसले, आय एम व्हेरी ग्रेटफूल टू National Highway Authorities and I think Harish is here that ultimately we got it passed and they are starting the work. Amonkar starting the work. Jatitle begin korche at a cost of 66 lakhs and 32,000 I think. This particular barricading will be done. जे लोक कोण सगळो वचपाना की शॉर्टकट सगळे मारपा सोदता. लायफानूय तशें जालां. शॉर्टकट मेळटा जाल्यार लोक घुसले सेफ्टी पळयनासतना. पूण दीस इज फॉर द सेफ्टी. अशे अनेक वस्त आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन जायत आसात. कांय थोडे दीस पयलीं डेली आमी ऑलमोस्ट ऑल्टरनेट डे आमी ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इनॉग्रेशन केलां. आतां सेफ्टी बॅरिकेड आमी घालता. तुमी पळयतले येता एवरी वीक कितें ना कितें आसतलें. तें आमचें काम करपाचें आमकां संवय जाल्ली आसा आनी अशेंच आमी काम करतले. आनी खूब म्हत्वाची गोश्ट म्हणल्यार आतां हांव पणजे वयता. आमी लॉन्च करता म्हणजे दीस IDC न्यू एक्झिट पॉलिसी. म्हणजे न्यू एक्झिट पॉलिसी म्हळ्यार कितें, पयले ऑनरेबल CM ते लॉन्च करतलो. हांवें म्हाजे नोदरे जेन्ना हाडले आनी हांवें डिजिटल सर्वे करून घेतला फर्स्ट टायम इन IDC. मोर देन 12 lakh square meters of land is lying idle without utilization. How we got it? Through digital survey. आनी लोकां ते विकपाकूय मेळना. पयलीं पॉलिसी बदलली, ट्रान्सफर फी आहा ती काडली आमी. न्यू इंडस्ट्री पॉलिसी हाडटकच मागीर ती न्यू ट्रान्सफर पॉलिसी काडली अंडर IDC. आनी आतां आमी एक्झिट पॉलिसी केला. सपोज म्हाजो जागो आहा, म्हाजी शेड आहा, वा म्हाजो प्लॉट आहा, वा हाफ कंप्लिटेड शेड आहा, आय कॅन इजिली ट्रेड इट टू यू पीपल इफ यू आर पुटिंग अप सम इंडस्ट्री विदाउट going through any formality. It is done so in such a simple and transparent manner. It is like people will be allowed to sell their shed or their land along with the shed to another entrepreneur. So economic activity will pick up in a big way. So yeah, we are making it happen. Now at 11:30 Honorable Chief Minister is launching this exit policy. See, Honorable National Highway Minister, my good friend Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, he has been very kind to Goa. हांव चिंतता गोंय तरी आज शायन जाता, गोंय तरी खरें चमत्कार दिसता एकूच मनशा लागून, ते नितीन गडकरी लागून. इतले रुंदीकरण रस्त्याचे केल्ले आसा. 2 सुंदर ब्रिज आमकां दिल्ले आसा. 3rd ब्रिज ओवर मंडोवी, 2nd ब्रिज ओवर जुवारी, and besides that he has given us 2 iconic towers which also when they come in reality people will realize हे आनी कितें चमत्कार इन दीस पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आनी हिंगाच आमकां लागीं आमच्या शेजाऱ्या हे तेणें आमकां दिल्लें आसा. तेजे भायर आनी कितलेशे तेणें गोंयकारांक जाय ते ना म्हणनासतना आपल्या कडेन जाता ते एक्स्ट्रा फंड्स दिवन केल्ले आसा. एक उदाहरण, ग्रेड सेपरेटर जो आमचो आसा दाबोलीम, एक न्यू फ्लायओवर येता रायट फ्रॉम दाबोलीम रायट अप टील क्विनी जंक्शन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट फेज. 2nd फेज इज फ्रॉम क्विनी जंक्शन रायट अप टील वेर्ना. म्हणजे जे सकल लोक रावपी आसा हिंगासून सुद्दां वयता. ट्रॅफिक जी मुर्मुगांव हार्बरसून वयतले, ट्रेलर जे वयतले, ट्रक जे वयतले, हेवी व्हेकल जे वयतले कंटेनर घेवन ते वयल्यान वयतले. कोणा त्रास जावपा ना. आनी आज सिग्नल सुद्दां आसतना त्रास जाता. सिग्नल नासतना कितले त्रास जाता ते तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा, तुमी हे वाठारांत रावपी. सो दीस इज समथींग which I had told Shri Nitin Gadkari ji on stage and he agreed there and there. He understands so fast any problem. I am so grateful to him. I have never seen such a dynamic minister. You have seen how he has changed the scenario in the entire country as far as highways are concerned. Achcha nakshach badalla ke deshan. If America became great, it became great because of the roads and railways. Roads he has taken care, Nitin Gadkari ji. That's why Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji entrusted him the second time in this term as well with National Highway, and I'm sure he will finish his work which is remaining and make India really great under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji. Same way, work is also happening in Goa here. You have seen बदल येयल्लो आसा. थोडे लोकां तें सहन जायना की इतलो बदल येयल्लो आसा BJP सरकार येतकूच. आतां गोवा शिपयार्ड दे ऑर्डर बुक्स आर ह्यूज. ते फॉरेन शिप्सूय बांदता, डिफेन्सा बांदता. But what is the benefit to the locals? I said locals have to get benefit. As industries minister, it is my duty that locals also get some job. So outsourcing korun, blocks, ship is never built as one big ship. You make blocks and then you assemble them. Blocks can be made in any shed. It can be made in any shipyard. It can be made by a common man. It's not rocket science. So the managing director, Mr. Upadhyaya, he was kind enough to agree to the proposal. Now I am involving the maritime cluster which has been formed at behest of central government. I am involving MSME. I am involving my own department and all other related government agencies. एक meeting आम्ही आपोवपाची आसा and make it practically viable on the ground. Locals who have little knowledge, they can always hire people. If you are an entrepreneur, even you can hire somebody. Make those blocks. So, and I am told by the MD that more than 300 worth such small works are to be given outsourced in the next 5 years to make a beginning, and the order books are full. So let Goans also will get benefit. Evashin Kone Kerna Chituna industrial sector, but I'm thinking on those lines where local will get benefit, and I'm making it happen. I'm able to say this because I've done a lot of study and groundwork, and I will make it happen with one joint meeting in Goa Shipyard Limited in their premises. Thereafter, we will have a meeting in Panjim, and if required, I will meet the Honorable Chief Minister if some other help from our government is required. But we will see that this works. Unemployment is the biggest problem today. तुमकां खबर आसा सगळे गव्हर्मेंट जॉब सोदता. खूंय सगळे गव्हर्मेंट जॉब आमी दिवपाक शकता, आमी दिवपाक शकना. So we have to create opportunities where they will stand on their own feet. एक 2 पैसे जोडटले, 2 पैसे न्हय 10 पैसे जोडटले.